The origins of the kind plate can be traced back to the mid-20th century when concerns about food waste and dietary health began to take center stage in public discourse. Initially, efforts to address these issues focused on consumer education campaigns, promoting the proper handling, storage, and preparation of perishable goods. One notable early initiative was the establishment of the Food Stewardship Program in 1958 by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, which aimed to reduce waste during transportation and distribution through improved logistics systems and packaging techniques. The kind plate concept emerged as a direct response to these foundational efforts, emphasizing the importance of reducing food waste, not only from agricultural production, but also throughout supply chains. In 1975, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, launched its Prevention First initiative, which promoted sustainable practices across all sectors and industries. This included developing guidelines for businesses to minimize their environmental footprint through various measures such as recycling, energy efficiency, and waste reduction. Key developments in the kind plate movement include the introduction of comprehensive food recovery programs in major cities starting from 1980. These initiatives involved partnerships between local governments, non-profit organizations, and private sector entities, focused on diverting surplus food from landfills to shelters and community kitchens. By 2005, these efforts had successfully prevented an estimated 6 billion pounds of food waste annually across the United States alone. The kind plate movement has significantly impacted societal norms surrounding food security and environmental responsibility. Notably, between 1990 and 2030, global food recovery programs have led to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, equivalent to removing 20 million cars from roads each year. Furthermore, these initiatives have positively influenced consumer behavior towards responsible consumption, with surveys indicating an increase of over 50% in households participating in food donation activities. However, challenges remain, including insufficient funding and capacity for large-scale operations, particularly in developing nations where access to proper infrastructure is severely limited. Ongoing research suggests that by 2050, advancements in technology such as blockchain systems could revolutionize food traceability processes, enhancing accountability while further streamlining recovery networks globally.